Hello friends. So today we are going to talk about painless vaginal delivery. What is it? How does it work? So first and foremost, painless vaginal delivery, it is a form of vaginal delivery in which we assist you as gynacs and anesthetist team to make you as comfortable as possible throughout the labor process. How is it done? The anesthetist is called. He gives you an epidural analgesia, not anesthesia, analgesia. Now, what do you mean by analgesia? Is it is a pain relief. Just like if you have a headache, you will be taking crocin and your pain relief will be there, but the process because of which the pain had started or the headache had started is not addressed to. So, in a similar way, epidural analgesia, we make sure that you are pain free, but the process of the labor continues inside undeterred. So in that, what happens is the anesthetist puts in a catheter, epidural catheter in the back, and the needle is then removed and a very fine catheter is kept inside the spine, and from the other end, which is outside, injections are given at every hour to make sure that you can tide over the phase of the active phase as well as the latent phase and the active phase of the labor nicely without pain. Now, in this, what happens is the process of labor also gets expedited. Why? Is because your muscles get relaxed. You do not feel the pain, so there is no muscle contraction too much from the outside voluntary muscles of the abdomen, because of which the baby also can come inside the pelvic cavity very nicely. So there we have observed that the delivery process is faster, and post that the labor, that is the final removal of the baby, can also be assisted by vacuum, which is also another assisted vaginal delivery. Thank you so much.